Hey guys, Andrew here. So I'm doing a budget build, and I should state I have been no way sponsored or anything by this company. So I'm doing a budget touring rig build, and like all of us, we've been online and we've checked out probably nearly every single canopy building company. So I come across this company called VT Canopies. They're in Melbourne. I'm in Tassie. It was pretty straightforward transaction. I ordered the canopy on the Thursday, and it was by Monday. It was at my local depot ready for me to pick up, because within the talks that I had with the company, I said, instead of delivering it to the front door, because that was an extra cost, I said, can you deliver it to the depot, and I'll go pick it up from there. And that's exactly what I did. So as you can see, I haven't even unboxed this yet. I put it on the back of the ute. We've had some absolute terrible weather here, but so is the whole west coast of Australia, so I shouldn't even start with that. What I'll do, what this video is about today, is not a review. It's about what you get for, what you pay for. I bought the 1500 by 1770 box, flat plate, aluminium. As I said, it was a smooth transaction, and it was here within a couple of days. It was unbelievable, really. So what I'll do, I will unbox this and I'll show you around. In fact, this is the 1500 by 1770. I paid $23.50 delivered to the depot. I think the boxes themselves are about $1,800 pickup. So yeah, I thought I'd make this video. So I haven't seen any online about, what you get. So yeah, let's get it unboxed, and I'll show you what you get for your money. So that's all unwrapped. I'm starting to notice, well, I've noticed a dent down the bottom here. Like I feel it was wrapped as good as you're going to get, unless you put it in a bloody timber crate, which obviously is not going to happen. I'll grab the camera and we'll open up the doors and yeah, show you around. Alrighty, so I'm behind the camera, obviously. I'll just show you some marks that I've found. And as you can see those? They're from the inside welds holding the bracing together. Alrighty, so let's crack this bad boy open. It's got some decent whale tails on there. At least they are fully lockable as well that way, and then obviously with the key. Oh, those door chucks are nice and strong. Alrighty, here we are. Some solid bracing on the actual door itself, and it does only have a single whale tail with the bars that actually lock in here. Seems like it's all nicely welded together. Some braces at the top which is good because I'm going to put a bushwhacker rooftop. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I've actually paid for. As I said, it's a budget build. I'm not rich. We're all possibly struggling at the moment in one way or another, but I'll keep going over and having a look around this canopy and see what I can find, and I'll be back. Oh, I think I'm going to wrap it up there. I couldn't really find much. There's a little mark, as I said, at the back here, but 100% that's from the shipping company. I didn't pay for the option for additional insurance. It wasn't an option. Well, I didn't ask, so I didn't know whether it was or wasn't an option. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Like 20 or $1,800 for pickup. Yeah, I suppose if you like what you're seeing, I will obviously. My next stage is a full fit out of this. Fridge drop slide, and as you can see, there's heaps of work to do with a pull out drawer and all of that I'll be doing. Yeah, so if you want to see more, like, subscribe. If you have any questions as well, comment down below. I would, yeah, I'll give you my 100% honest answer and what I know about the item that I've bought. Anyways, thanks heaps, guys. See you on the next one.